In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and add a forum on your Wix website. If you're looking to engage your community or provide a space for discussions, adding a forum can be a fantastic option. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, so even if you're new to Wix, you'll be able to follow along easily. To start, you need to head over to your Wix website editor. Once you're there, look for the option that says Add Apps. This is the doorway to accessing a host of applications and features that can enhance your website's functionality. You'll find the Add Apps option usually located on the left toolbar of the Wix editor. When you click on it, a search bar will appear ready for you to explore. Next, in that search bar, type in Wix Forum. This will efficiently narrow down the options and bring up the Wix Forum application. The Wix Forum app is designed to seamlessly integrate a discussion board into your website, allowing your users to create posts, engage in conversations, and form a community. Recognizing the app is straightforward. Just look for a forum-related thumbnail and the name Wix Forum. Now, once you've found the Wix Forum app, before adding it directly to your site, you'll need to incorporate the Wix Members area. The Members area is crucial because it manages user profiles and makes sure that only registered users can participate, thus fostering a safe and engaging environment. To do this, click on Wix Members area when prompted, and that will initiate the setup. After incorporating the Members area, the next step is to add the forum to your site. Simply click on Add to include it. Remember, adding a forum is just the beginning. Once it's added, you'll want to tweak it to match your community's needs and your website's design. So, click on Settings after you have added the forum to dive into the customization options. This is where you can decide the layout, color schemes, and overall appearance of your forum to ensure it aligns with your website's style. You can also manage the user permissions, deciding who can post, reply, or moderate discussions. It's a good idea to spend some time here and explore the different settings and options available to you. And there you have it. You've successfully added a forum to your Wix website. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. With your forum set up, you can now start engaging your community and encourage lively discussions. Remember, an active forum can greatly enhance user interaction and make your website a hub of activity. Thank you for watching, and happy forum building!